Mastering Google Analytics for top-notch SEO. Google Analytics is an essential tool for any digital marketer or SEO consultant looking to boost website performance. If you're new to the platform, navigating its dashboard can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll simplify Google Analytics and guide you through its core components. Google Analytics tracks and reports website traffic, providing detailed information about user interactions with your site. Key metrics include sessions, which show total visits, and users, representing unique visitors. Make sure to monitor the bounce rate, which indicates the percentage of users who leave after viewing just one page, along with average session duration for insights on user engagement. The Google Analytics dashboard is pivotal, starting with the Home tab, which gives a quick overview of user count, session duration, and bounce rate, perfect for a snapshot of performance. The Real-Time tab allows you to track activity as it happens, letting you see how new content or marketing campaigns are performing immediately. The Audience section provides demographic information about your users, while the Acquisition tab reveals how visitors find your site, be it through organic search, social media, or paid ads. This information is vital for refining your SEO strategies. Behavior reports show how users interact with your content, revealing popular pages and those needing improvement. Conversion reports offer insight into marketing effectiveness, helping you track goals and e-commerce transactions. Once comfortable with the dashboard, Google Analytics can be used for SEO optimization, from monitoring keywords to analyzing data from Google My Business for local SEO improvements. Mastering Google Analytics will empower you to make data-driven decisions that grow your business. For personalized assistance navigating Google Analytics, reach out to Quantifi Media for expert guidance.